How to delete unused files on Soundation. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete unused sounds on Soundation. And this is how to go about it. So the first step is for you to log in into your Soundation account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, next step would be for you to select the project where you would like to delete unsaved files. So just go ahead and double click on the project and let's open up the project. Once the project is opened, the next step would be for you to move to the right side of the project page where you can see some icons, which includes the studio icon, then the project icon. So once you've seen this, click on it. Then by clicking on it, a mini page will be displayed. On this page, just scroll down to the last part, move to the right side and click on the three dots, alright, which stands for the more option button. By clicking on it, you see the option for you to rename, duplicate, or delete. So that way you can easily delete the files that you no longer want to save. So for me, I'm just going to move to the second one here, click on the three dots, then click on delete, and then just like that, it would be deleted. As you can see, a question is asked if you're sure that you would like to delete this particular project. Select yes, and then just like that, your file would be deleted on Soundation. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.